We're making an olive oil cake. The first thing I'm gonna do is grease my pan. To grease this pan, I'm going to use some avocado oil shortening from Chosen. It is 1 ingredient, fractionated avocado oil. I'm gonna take my paper towel, take a little bit off the edge, and just swirl it around all over the pan. 1 bowl ting. Got our big bowl. I'm gonna show you all the ingredients that we're using first before I even start this. So okay, coconut sugar, and this is the lemon zest plus a tiny bit of orange zest, whatever I could kind of get out. It wasn't really trying to come out. Lemon juice, olive oil. And the olive oil that I'm using today is this one, this extra virgin olive oil from Arbequina Olives. And I'm using this one because it's less bitter and it's a little bit sweeter of an olive oil. So it's going to be very good for a cake, which we're making, or anything that's kind of sweet. So you don't have too much of that bitter olive oil taste. This is from Patio de Viana, and I got it from Whole Foods. They also will have olive oils that are really cute and fancy and good like this at smaller grocery shops that sell like organic stuff. The first time that I got olive oil from this brand was from, it's called Each Peach Market in DC. It's 3068 Mount Pleasant Street Northwest, and I fell in love then, and then I seen it at Whole Foods and I was like, yes, this is my favorite. Till I find a better one. Mix all this together. Almond milk, vanilla extract, cherry and acerola fruit spread. We're just gonna do our dry ingredients now. Spelt flour, almond flour. This is a almond flour olive oil cake. Some chia seeds, flax seeds for the additional health benefits. They also can act as binders in recipes, holding things together. But of course, these have some good omega-3s and fiber, and we need that. Our baking powder and baking soda, these are the leavening agents. Gorgeous. So it's kind of foaming up, which I love. When you add baking soda to baked goods and there's acid in there, the lemon juice, the cherry fruit spread, those are all acids that's gonna interact with the baking soda, which will increase the leavening, basically make it rise more. And so when you add baking soda to stuff, you want to kind of move quickly so that the reaction has ample time to work. You see how it's kind of foamy, bubbly? I'm about to scrape this. Don't worry, I'm about to scrape it. It goes in the oven for about 30 minutes. Now I'm gonna clean all my mess up and then I'll show y'all the cake. But also I'm gonna make a little glaze. So I'm gonna make that and clean up. I'll show y'all that. Just give me a sec to clean this stuff up. Our cake is baking. Let's make the glaze. I use coconut sugar, which means that the glaze is going to turn up brown. So it's coconut sugar and arrowroot starch blended together. I should have measured half a cup, but we're just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg because I love it. Also, I'm gonna make this a maple glaze, so I'm just gonna add a little maple syrup first. The almond milk. Dash more almond milk. cake is done. I'm supposed to let it cool completely before I glaze, but it looks like chocolate. And it sunk in the middle, so now it's all trying to go in the middle. I'm just gonna make it go all over. I want to top with some rose petals just because I don't want to do too much. Just a little something. Put a little bit of rose petals on top. I'm gonna do a little corner piece. Never messing it up, guys. You have to try this. It's so good.